Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. We have an awesome episode today. We're happening with Rodney Lou. Can't wait. It's going to be great. What are we cooking? What are we doing today, Rodney?
Well, we're going to start with a big beefsteak Fiorentina.
Florentina.
Si. And then we're going to sous vide that.
Sous vide?
Sous vide.
Who's Sue?
Same thing. We're going to sous vide some carrots.
Okay.
A little ginger in there. And then we're having a crumble berry dessert. Oh, we're having an arugula salad in there.
Oh, an arugula salad, yeah. All right, so tell me about this dry age thing, because everybody wants that 45-day dry aged meat, and you're telling me you can accelerate it?
I'll use this technique called koji.
Koji.
And what it is it's a rice grain which is infused with live culture. And so you rub it, you grind it, you rub it on your meat, and then you let it sit in your refrigerator, and it dry ages in 48 hours.
All right, so we got our meat stuff. What are we doing?
Well,
what
here
is
we
this?
have this insane piece of porterhouse.
Damn!
And look at how thick that bad boy is.
Holy crap.
And I don't know if that's right side up.
And you guys can all read that, right?
Can you read that?
You guys can read that, right?
And you're gonna drop it in a
little mini processor.
Yeah, mini processor. And this processor will actually smell like smoke because we
really
got this
great
when we were married 25 years ago. And
it still works.
And it still works, but it's on its last leg because you hit it and it smells like electrical burning.
Oh, that's great.
It's a
so
flavor.
it adds to the meat, you know, if you've got that electric burn.
And grab your
Koji!
and you want to sprinkle liberally. Right. So there we go.
That's all you gotta do. No salt, no pepper, no nothing else.
Nope. And you get yourself one of these beautiful racks with a little air underneath it.
Okay. That's it. Put the little foil on top.
For 48 hours.
48.
You've got a beautifully dry aged beef, like 21 days.
I forgot something.
What did you forget?
I'll be right back. All right. The Chef Rodney coat. Oh, there he goes. Oh wow, look at Rodney, huh?
I need to walk, right?
Right? Yeah, do the New Yorker. Got
your
Dad's That Cook chef knife.
Holy smokes. That's
sharp.
Sweet.
You got your little pot holder so you don't burn your fingers.
Oh man, you're the sweetest.
And then when you gotta go shopping.
I don't care what people say about you.
I know, right? So now what?
Well, we have to, now that it's sat there for 48 hours, we are now going to loofah these clean.
We're gonna loofah.
Loofah our meat. And here's how you loofah. And just look at how the color of that is.
Wow,
it's deep red, how it should be. Pat the meat.
Pat the meat.
Pat the meat.
Pat the meat, dry it off a little bit.
So the problem with, this is called the beef Fiorentina.
Florentina.
Si. And it's from Tuscany. You take this meat, and how they do it there is they drop it on the grill, super hot this way, they drop it that way, and then they put it on end. And that heats it through. The problem I found is that it will cook too much on the outside.
Yeah.
So you've got medium on the outside, and then it gets ultra rare on the inside. So with the sous vide, it solves the problem because it cooks it all the way through, and it is perfectly medium rare, and then you also want the crust.
Yes.
Because we love the crust.
The crust.
And so you want to sear it on ultra high heat to get the crust, and then it's ready to go. Then it's butter.
And we'll throw that on your grill outside.
Yes, we are on my big green egg.
Oh, the big green egg.
Wow, there's a pitch right there. So here's our herbaceous garden, and we've got a lot of,
nice.
we're going to actually come back out and get some tomatoes and such. But you need fresh rosemary for this. And I like getting really good fresh rosemary. Smell that.
Oh, wait, let me get on that.
And then we grabbed some fresh thyme.
Oh, wow, look at that.
And so I'll just
hack
rip
some of that out.
So what I've done is I've got some garlic on here that I've cut up, and I just took chunks of it and I put a little butter or fat on there. And I'm adding now some herbs, which is thyme from the garden and some rosemary. And then I will take it and I will gently slide the bad boy in this big old bag.
Be careful.
Down, and then you lock it, and you hit vacuum seal.
All right.
And you kind of, and you wait.
One more.
Little sign says sealing. You gotta wait.
And then the light comes up.
It says sealing.
Nope.
Sealed.
All right, look at those bad boys.
Here we go. Follow
Look
me.
at that.
Follow
All right.
me. Watch and
Let's
learn.
follow. Okay, we're
Watch
going into the
and
sous vide machine.
Learn. So what happens is it'll sit there for 2.5 hours.
Oh.
So this helps the evaporation process.
Oh,
You
to
pay
kind of stay.
attention and you there. And so I just put it
Just
on
put a little
there.
top on it.
We're doing carrots now. The way I cut them is I do it at a different angle, just
Wow,
because they kind of look better
Sexy.
on a plate. You take the carrots
And you put them in.
and you put them in.
And you put them in the bag.
You put them in the bag.
That's crazy. And what
you
about
take-
those? What are you gonna do? You're smash and burn them, or are you just gonna stick them in?
Just stick 'em in.
Just stick them in. You're not gonna smash them.
Whatever. And this is a sweet butter.
Sweet butter.
And by the way,
Unsalted
salted. Then we're gonna seal the bad boy.
You're gonna seal it?
We're gonna seal
That's
it.
crazy.
And I'm not putting any salt and pepper in any of this
Nothing.
stuff.
Just the butter and the ginger.
The reason I'm doing that is
You do it
because
then.
we'll do that at the end. And the lovely sound of the vacuum sealer. And
183.
183, and you'll
And you're just
just
gonna
jam it in there.
jam that sucker in there. Poke them down in there.
Poke it down in there, and that's just gonna stay exactly as is.
That's awesome. Butar, I see you making something with some shallots and some garlic, and I see butter.
So this is what finishes, I think, the dish off crazy, which is a compound butter or a chef's butter.
Okay.
Room temperature, and it's a sweet, good European
Use the
style
entire
organic
8 tablespoons.
butter. Well, I'm going to take some on my camping trip. So we're going to add herbs and garlic and shallots to it. Put it back in the refrigerator. It will harden up.
Okay.
And then when the steaks come off the grill, they will sit there and they'll rest as they should. And this you take and you drop on top of there, and the butter
just oozes over it.
Glazes it.
So you said you're going to take some of this camping.
Yes.
What do you like to do, Rodney?
Boy, you know, like we're pretty active people. Christy and I like to mountain bike and ski and fly fish and kiteboard and all kinds of stuff. But one of the things that I'm most passionate about is helping students.
Yeah.
And there's an organization called Summer Search that I've been a part of now for, over a decade.
Wow.
And what we do is we help low-income high school students through high school. We mentor them through high school and into college.
Wow.
100% of our students graduate high school, and 97%, I think, go on to first generation.
Wow.
To go into
of college. With all those fresh herbs in it, right?
Herbs in it, and then you
Twist
twist
it.
Oh, look at
That looks
And
good.
you throw it in the fridge, and you let it
Cool it
harden.
down.
Jason, I want to thank
Dude.
you for inviting me to this because I'm having so much fun.
Hey, I'm at your house.
Come on!
Come on, cheers.
Love you, bro.
Thanks, bro. That's
Oh, the taste of apple juice. So, what do?
good. Great. What do we
Get
got?
yourself berries, fruits of any kind, and then what you do is a little tapioca. Eyeball this 2 tablespoons.
Is that what it asked for?
I think
2 tablespoons?
So, I think so. Look at that. That looks about 2 tablespoons. Yeah!
Sure. All right. You just add more sugar and it'll be fine, right?
Squeeze some lemon into it.
Some limon.
It says, yeah, watch out. We are now going to take some flour.
Some flour. Well, you know, to be honest, a crumble or whatever we want to call it, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Is pretty relaxed as far as what you have to do with it.
Totally.
If you want it super sweet, put a lot more sugar in it, right?
Relax. You want relaxed?
That's supposed to be, I mean,
Yeah, I got relaxed.
you could probably just stick the rest of that bag in there and not
Oats.
1.5 cups of your oats.
Yep. These are really good. Around. Oh, that's too much.
That's not even close to 1.5 cups.
Well, remember we're
That's
three-quarters.
that's not even
We're
close to
three-quarters.
like
What's
a
3/4 of 1.5.
That's not even
3/4
that.
of 1.5.
Just put a cup in. And then we're gonna have to get a
And then
smaller
here it
thing.
is, the Parmesan.
Parmesan. So, wow, you're angry. You're angry.
And you just kind of throw it in there like
just-
that. So then you take that. Do you throw that inside?
I can. I think
So
it's
now we're just gonna throw all of this. We throw it in the oven at 375.
375 for how long?
Why not be a little safe? That's all.
Okay, buddy.
Right?
It's
Why
your
would you be
marriage.
safe?
It's your. I mean,
my-
you got to do what you
Because
got
then
to
you
do,
turn
buddy.
in the oven and it smells like cobbler no matter what you're cooking.
Yes.
Thanksgiving, it's gonna smell like cobbler. Burned cobbler.
40 minutes with that.
Oh, please don't fall.
Oh, look at that.
Here we are.
Awesome. So we've been in the garden. We got some tomatoes.
We're doing a little arugula. It goes well with steak. Arugula salad, peppery flavor, and then I shaved some fresh Parmigiana on it. Put some red onion, sliced tomatoes, and just simple lemon, olive oil, salt.
Great.
So look at it. You can see it cooked inside of there, and it's perfectly medium rare all the way through.
Well, a lot of guys, what I think the other really great thing about sous vide, not only do you have a perfect temp, right? You have it perfectly set the way you want it.
Can't mess it
up. You want it medium rare, you got it medium rare, right?
As long as you want, you're gonna forget. It's
Same
right there.
thing with parties. If you're having parties and you're having people over,
Yes.
you sous vide a bunch of stuff ahead of time. It's all cooked, ready to go, and then you're just sticking it on the grill for a couple minutes and done. You're not spending all day standing in front of your grill
and worried.
missing the party.
Yes.
Right?
Brilliant. And there they are.
Wow, that's like magic right there, buddy. Okay, so we've got that all patted down.
Yep. Steaks specifically,
Yeah.
you really need a coarse,
Coarse.
because then you bite into it and you get that.
Is this a coarse sea salt or is this a kosher salt?
Sea salt, and you can use any kind. But do you see
Yeah,
the big
yeah,
flakes?
love the big flakes.
Love the big flakes because it just gives you that big pop of salt when you bite into it. And I'll get liberal because these are very thick, right?
And the pepper?
And the pepper.
Put the salt and the pepper on it.
You know how dogs, when
Yeah,
you
yeah.
blow that whistle that you can't hear?
Yes, Pavlov.
Pavlov's dog. Listen to this. Watch this. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh, did you hear it?
Oh, and look, she just comes out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere.
It is how that works. Why the hell isn't it ready yet? I think
Yeah, right? I'm showing up.
I can have some wine while I wait.
Well, Slim Shady over here has been working, you know, making it happen.
Sweating.
Oh, thank you, thank
I
you.
don't go hungry very often.
No?
No.
That's good.
No,
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers. Thanks for having
So
us.
fun.
Hey, by the way, I'm moving in.
Fine.
Hey! What's up?
It's nice to see you.
Adam, he's even got the shirt.
What's going on?
No, give it in, mister.
What are you guys cooking today?
Yeah,
Oh,
what are
I
you-
gotta tell you, it's one of your favorites. It's the beefsteak of Fiorentina.
Fiorentina.
God, about a bit. We
Yeah.
have been sous vide everything. This is the sous vide carrots. They're coming out right now.
Good stuff. Okay, let's pull them.
With a little ginger.
Little ginger. Oh, it's so good, man. We've been working it all day. Well, he's been working it all day.
Oh.
I've just been sitting here chatting and giving him crap.
Oh.
Here's some wine.
You absolutely.
'Cause you're old enough.
Because I'm old enough.
That's right.
wine,
I have to
respect.
explain that to people.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no doubt.
You know.
It comes with a shirt, I think.
Yes. Well, exactly.
You'll inherit the sous vide one day. If
Someday,
you
if
play
you're lucky.
Your cards just
You're
right.
gonna pit me against my siblings for that one?
Yeah, your
Yeah.
sisters haven't really stepped up on
Okay.
cooking. He used to be a salad chef.
Hey,
I was a pantry chef.
A pantry chef?
Ambrosia Pizzeria.
nice. All
Handle all their colds and dishes, salads, cakes.
All right, we got to go throw the steaks.
right,
on.
we got
All right.
steaks.
Listen to that. But now we're getting a little char, we're getting a little smoke, we're getting a little love on it. Smell that, camera.
You got the meat off.
Meat's
we,
off.
We already figured that deal out,
Meat's
right?
off.
This
Now
is
I'm
your,
getting
what do you call it, butter?
compound butter.
Compound butter, which
Compound
we
butter
put a little
or-
garlic, some thyme, some rosemary,
A little shallot.
shallots.
Yep.
Ah, now we just finished that. I see one big, huge thing of ginger in there. That's going to give some aroma flavor.
Add a little salt to that.
Oh, yeah?
You got to do it like this.
Oh,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Salt
Do
like
the
that.
elbow thing.
Squirt
Yeah,
some
just a little
honey on
squirt.
there.
Give it that little happiness.
Is that too much? Okay. Oh, and look at this. We're ready to carve
We're
that
ready
bad
to
boy
slice
up.
those bad boys up.
Let's carve that out. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Just
Oh, my God.
positioning.
So what do you think there, Adam?
Faltering right now.
Huh?
It's so good. You've made this
Holy crap,
so many
dude.
times, and every single time it is always fantastic.
Fun.
Right?
Yeah, boy.
We're so excited.
Yeah, boy.
This is awesome. I'm loving it, man.
Oh,
This is
I'm so
incredible.
glad you are. So glad you are.
So hanging out all day. We got some killer porterhouse sitting here. It's gonna go down my gullet in a second. We got some
yeah.
killer carrots over there with some ginger.
Sous vide.
Sous vide. You sous vide those as well. Got a yummy little arugula salad with some tastiness in that. And this.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
That's a cobbler.
The cobbler. The berry cobbler.
With the Parmesan.
The Parmesan
crust.
crust.
Every night.
Every night, Christy says it. Every night.
Koji
Adam
dry
moved out.
aged.
Too bad he doesn't get it every night
Come
now.
back for this.
He used to be like
For sure.
275. and
270.
Since he's moved out, look at him.
I haven't eaten once.
Well, I got to thank you guys for having us here today and having us over. And cheers.
Thank you, Jason.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Okole
Cheers to
maluna.
all you out there. What do you call it?
Well, it's Hawaiian for cheers. Okole
Okole.
means your bottom.
Okay.
Maluna means up.
Moluna. Okole
Okole
muluna.
I'm Maluna.
All right. Awesome. Awesome. So, here we are. We're hanging out with the Lous. But next time, we'll see you on Dad's That
Dad's
Cook.
That Cook. Don't we say it all together?
You could.
Let's do it again.
You want
One more time, one
it?
more
You
time.
ready to see? Next time, we'll see you on
Dad's
That
That
Cook. What are you doing with the plastic wrap there, Slim? Oh, he's gonna die! Don't do it! Now what?
This meat is in its sack.
The meat sack.
Meat sack.
And we stab him a couple times. And you roll it. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll be in touch.